Good day, sir. I am Darren Colin Senyal from BAT 4A. So we have here the given data. So we have here 60 data. So first, we need to find the highest or the most highest number of data. So which is the 127. And the lowest of among all is the 72. How to get the starting point? So to get the starting point, we need to follow the rules. So sa last meeting is naay ka ng rule nga gihatag si sir. So mo ni ang rule. So for the data with 50 to 100 value, so we have to use the 10 to 14 classes. For our data, so the highest number is 127 and the lowest is 72. So 127 minus 72 is equal to 55. So we use the 10. So 55 divided by 10 equals 5.5 or 6. So dili siya pasok sa 10 to 14 nga 10 to 14 nga rule. So 55 divided by 5 equals 10.5. Then plus 1 equals 11.5 or 12. So pasok yun siya sa rule nga 10 to 14 classes ang magamit. Okay. So 5 man ang pasok sa ang 5 ang pasok. So, we have to use 5 sa interval. So, mo ni siya ang formula sa pagkuha sa interval. So, 127 divided by 5 is equal to 25. Then, i-divide na to siya. So, ang ang result is 2. Then, 127 minus 2 is equal to 125. So, ang starting point na to is 125, which is kaning na adere. So, kay ang interval man nato kay 5, so kanang so, mo ni siya. So, 125 to 129, 25 to 129, and so on. Hantod, abot siya sa 70 to 74. So, next is ang midpoint. So, how to get the midpoint? We have to add this number. So, 125 plus 129, then divide it by 2. So, divided by 2 is equal to 127. Next, 120 plus 124 divided by 2 is equal to 122, and so on. Then, sa frequency, so, di ba kabalo naman taon sa pagkuha sa frequency. So, if kapila ni nagbalik-balik na mga number. Muna siya, ang frequency. Then, next is cumulative frequency ang atong kuhaon. We have to total the frequency. So, ang total ani tanan is 60. So, kining 60, mo ni siya ang mabutang nato sa ibabaw. So, 60. Then next is 60 minus 2 is equal to 58. 58 minus 3 is equal to 55, and so on. Then next is how to get this. Ang percent niya. Okay. The percent. So, kani siya is, i-times sa gyud siya sa 100. So, for example, kani. So, 60 divided by 60 is equal, times 100 is equals to 100. Next is 58 divided by 60 is equal to 96.7. And so on. Same process. So, how to get this? Dili sa pikas, ang 60 nasa taas. Then, dili ang 60 niya is nasa baba. So, same process, dili lang siya. 60 minus 1 is equal to 59. 59 minus 5 is equal to 55. And so on. Okay. Sa percentage, dili ang apart. Okay, so 2 divided by 60 times 100 equals 3.3. 5 divided by 60 times 100 equals 8.3. And so on. Ang RF is frequency divided by the total frequency. So, 2 divided by 60 is equal to 0.03. And so on. Let's proceed sa mean. Okay. So, how to get the fx? So, i-multiply na to ang midpoint and ang frequency. So, 127 times 2 equals 254. And so on. So, ang total ano niya tanan is 6,060. Okay, so ang solution ano niya is kani. So, divide n is equal to 6,060 divided by, so 60 divided by 60. So, ang mean nato is 101. Okay, so let's proceed sa median. Muna siya ang solution. So, median is equal to total frequency divided by 2 is equal to f over fm, then closed and open parentheses, kani siya ay. So, ang ato ang LM is equal to 99.5. So, anong 99.5 man ang ato ang LM. So, 100. So, 100. So, i-minus na to ang 100 sa 0.5. Mo na siya, ang total is 99.5. So, mo na siya, 99.5 plus 60 minus 24 over 2 and 12, then was an open parenthesis 5 is equal to 99.5 plus 30 minus 24 over 12 times 5. So, ano siya, is equal to 99.5 plus 2.5. So, ang atong region is 102. Let's proceed sa mode. So, mao ni siya ang formula sa mode. So, kini siya, then, equals to, kani siya triangle sub 1 over triangle sub 2 plus triangle sub 1 and sub 2. Then, equals 100 plus 7 over 7 plus 4 is equal to 5 is equal to 100 plus 3.18. So, ang ato ang mode is 103 over 18.